What's up, homies, and welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, the link to the Discord is in the description below or up on the screen. There's also a thank you button below the video where you can leave a tip if this video helped you out. Today we are going to learn how to play Wana by 8 Row 8 and Jboog. So grab your ukulele and let's go learn this one. Hey, before I forget, here's your discount code to use in the merch store where you can get your tank tops, your shirts, your sweaters for cold season, or even your Teach Me Tuesday notebooks. So yeah, feel free to use this. Okay, let's continue with the video. Okay, the first chord we're going to play is going to be D minor 7, bar the 2nd fret right here. Okay, and the second chord we're going to play is D major 7, which is going to add our pinky or your ring finger, whichever you're comfortable with. We're going to cover the bottom string on the 4th fret. Okay, let's go over the structure for this one. We're going to start with an intro. And we got verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, verse 3, and then we're going to repeat like the verse 1 part and then go to another chorus. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Let's play it together. It's only 2 chords the entire song, so it's going to be super easy. In the song, you can only hear them do a stab once throughout the thing, so it's not like a constant playing, but you can strum however you want. Strum it however you want, because all it's doing is doing stabs once. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a like, and if this video helped you out, leave a tip in the thank you button below. In the description, there's a link to the Discord where you can make your request for a tutorial, as well as the merch link where you can use your coupon code. Save some money on some gifts. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Okay then.